Nagpakilala sa tagumpay ng ilang kababaihang Filipino-Canadian sa Toronto sa pagtatapos ng Women's Month. Ang kwento nila sa report ni Paula Saraza.
We're very nurturing, and this nurturing side of us can extend not just to our families but to the community and to the nation.
Tatlong Filipino-Canadian ang kinilala kamakailan sa Philippine Consulate sa Toronto sa isinagawang Women's Hour event sa paggunita sa National Women's Month.
We are looking really paying attention to the younger generation. Kasi gusto natin, yung younger generation of Filipino-Canadians, that they see good role models and they can think that if they can do it, I can do it too.
Ang pagbabahagi ng kanilang mga karanasan sa kani-kanilang propesyon, maging inspirasyon daw sana sa iba pang mga Pinay sa Canada. Ayon kay Abby Albino, co-founder ng Make Way, Rice Tribe at head ng branded biz strategy ng Canada Basketball, may likas na potensyal ang mga kababaihang mamuno at makilala sa anumang karerang pasukin nila. Pero aminadong karaniwang balakid ang kakulangan ng kumpiyansa sa sarili.
It's a shame when people feel too shy or humble to speak up, and I was like that in my career when I first started, but the more I started to speak up was the better for me, and it was, you almost just need to get your reps in, so every so often like do something like boast yourself up and have that confidence, and sooner or later you're just going to be confident.
Naging patunay naman si Sunshine Asuncion C na isa sa mga nanguna sa pagtatayo ng Facebook group na Kain Tayo noong kasagsagan ng pandemya, na ang simpleng pamamaraan at ideya ng mga kababaihan ay nagre-resulta rin sa tagumpay ng buong komunidad.
Anything that you put your mind to, it can become a reality. And so, lalo na we're in the land of opportunity, diba? Kumbaga parang the odds are now in our favor here versus siguro kung sa atin na parang posibleng challenge ang pera, challenge ang opportunities dahil kailangan pa natin magtrabaho, tulungan ng pamilya. Dito maraming opportunities, maraming programs that can help us as women entrepreneurs or small businesses.
Hindi rin anila nakadepende ang abilidad ng mga babae sa kanilang edad. Yan ang pinatunayan ni Charmaine Ramirez, na Executive Director ng Power Forward, sa kanyang patuloy na pagsulong sa mga advokasiyang sumusuporta sa Filipino community sa Canada.
We need to take time to embrace that we are powerful and we have so much to give, and part of that is sharing with the community that we have all these strengths, and I think it's time that we teach Filipinas how to advocate for themselves.
Bukod sa kwento ng tatlong Pinay Trailblazers, itinampok din ang talento ng iba pang mga Pinay at Filipino-Canadians sa larangan ng sining at fashion. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.